Good morning, February 23rd, 2014. We just brought the 430 Max home. So I'm just coming out this morning to check things over. My first line of business. And making these, first I ought to say that I'm making these videos because there's very little online when it comes to detail. Mostly a guy plowing his driveway or a good old chap going and making a video about what he does in a day. But when we come right down to detail, even things like adjusting the deck tensioner, there's just nothing online. My first line of business today is going to be going down to the local parts store where I can get some hydraulic hoses made. These ones here, massive corrosion. I didn't notice it at first, but they're just gone. I'm not plugging them into this tractor. They're shot. Lines are cracked. I don't mess around with hydraulic hoses that are in bad condition. That could hurt you. But this tractor here, by chance, ended up in a shop for months. The shop that worked on Steiners for years and years ended up having to do its first chassis change. I guess there's an issue with making sure your bolts stay tight, but in an egg shape, the whole frame, and it was so bad that they had to replace the whole thing. So I got a nice new tight frame underneath this thing to get it going. I'm gonna get a picture of the parts list sent to me that was installed. I was looking online for a place to buy a seat. No, everything's got to be done through a catalog, it seems, or over the phone. In this day and age, it's not how I shop, but we're going to leave some links and try to get some of the community's information out there, because there's a lot of people out there that know about these, but not a lot of people out there putting the information online. So maybe I can be a collective source, because that's kind of what I do. I like finding stuff online. I like sitting down on YouTube and learning how to do stuff. But like I said, first line of business today is going to be getting these hydraulic hoses off, getting them all remade, coming on back home, and we're going to try this slip scoop out. I'll give you an update and try to keep this video as comprehensive for me and for you guys as possible. Always, please like and leave the comments below.